Alright, everybody ready? Let's go. Numbers.
Hello.
Brennan,
What?
are you ready? Because we're starting.
I'm ready, that's why I'm being quiet.
That's why you're being quiet. We're starting now, so let's go.
What's up, Scooby?
We're on nightmare mode because we ain't some losers.
Again?
Yeah.
Yo, are you scared? Scared, boy?
You scared?
Scared?
You scared, Mr. Greaser?
Hey, look, trivia crack updated.
Shut up.
Seriously?
Hold on, I gotta play this.
Leave his ass. Let's go. Run. Leave his ass.
Wait, don't leave me. I forgot how you play this game.
You push button.
run.
You hit X
Oh,
to pull up your flashlight. You hit R to run, RT to run, and you hit A to pick up things. 3 buttons.
Did they update this game last time I played it? Because you used to be able to see the flashlights really well when you didn't have yours on.
I don't remember that.
There's gotta be a tick around here.
Found a tree.
Me too. I found like 5 trees.
You want one?
I thought those were bushes. Hey, look, my mom.
Oh man. Why is your mom's head cut off and in her hand?
I cut that bitch off myself. Fuck me.
Why is it in her hand? Like she's giving it to someone.
I placed it in there. She's gotta hold it somehow, don't she?
Alright. She gave you head. Did she get it because she was giving head?
My mother give me head.
Shut up. It was a
Get a
joke.
little wider.
There is a waterfall. That means there's gotta be a bridge to get across.
Hey, why don't we go downstream instead of looking at a waterfall for 4 years?
That's not. I'd rather look at a waterfall than play this game.
There's like smoke coming from like a distance if you didn't see that. Yeah, do you see it? It's like going straight. Oh, I found a bridge!
I found it, bro.
Why you go up on me like that? I can't see nothing. Get your freaking bald head out of my way.
We haven't found shit yet.
I know.
Watch out, there's blood on the bridge.
Ew.
We should
Ew.
split up. And look
Yeah,
for
yeah. What are you,
What are
Scooby-Doo?
we, Mystery Inc?
Yeah, Mr. Ink. Same thing as Scooby-Doo. You know, the stars look beautiful. I mean, if it wasn't a creepy setting, it would be beautiful out.
I think my character
I
has
found a
extra
house.
battery life, I'm not sure.
Found a house.
Oh, shoot. I think it's a church, actually.
Whatever.
Alright, I'll go around the right.
I'm gonna go with number.
I hear it.
Ew.
Maybe inside.
Probably is.
Probably.
It sounds really close.
Oh, I found it. Oh, I found him already. He's right up the hill. He's right up the hill behind us.
I don't see
Yeah, he was just up there.
Oh, yep. Fuck, that's
Where?
me.
Alright.
He's over there.
Hey, where are we going next, Mr. Ink?
To the left. To the left. Everything you own in the box to the left.
Oh.
Now we're gonna get copyright strike.
Why do we always talk about copyrights?
I don't know. That's what my whole video was about, was copyright.
I know, it was like 10-minute
Hey, look,
segment.
there's actually,
Some velvet rope. You can't get in because you're too young, numbers.
We're walking the red carpet.
This is dirt and a bunch of sticks.
Not dirt. This is.
You're a bunch of dirt. Shut up, Canadian.
Oh,
creeper.
Creeper.
Scared me. I haven't played this game in so long.
Freako.
Wait, where are you all at?
I'm right behind
He's right
you.
behind us. He's
Oh.
right behind us.
No,
He's
no,
right
no,
behind
no,
us.
No! Fuck!
Right.
Did he get you?
Yeah.
Oh, he's right behind us.
serious?
He's right behind us. He's right there.
He's not there.
He's like drilling me right there. He's like getting me.
Screw this, I'm running.
He's getting me. He's going to get me.
Whoa.
He's get across the bridge. What is this? Rocks?
There's a. Oh, he's right there.
Oh God, I'm dead. Numbers, protect me.
But are you really dead?
No, I'm gonna die. He's like, I'm next.
I swear, if
I'm
you
dead.
die-
I'm gonna die next. I'm gonna die next.
I hear him growling. Wait, there's a mill over here.
Yeah, there's a tape one here. Last time I remember.
I see it.
Get it. Hit A. Okay. I'm gonna die next.
Now. This is where we die.
I'm gonna die next. Numbers. I know I'm gonna die next. I'm like, I saw him so many times, and he's like right up on my rear.
So am I.
I'm dead. Numbers, protect me.
Let's just keep walking.
I'm like right up on you.
Walk slow.
I'm like rubbing on you, like a flashlight isn't touching you. It's something else.
That is your penis.
Because my flashlight's off.
Oh, shit.
Oh, we're back at the church.
Great, we went in circles. Oh, he's over there to the right.
Sorry, that scared me.
I tried warning you. Keep going up to the tombstones.
Brennan, look around for tapes. You can still see them. I don't know where you are though.
I'm right here. I see your butt moving up and down. It's kind of attractive.
We're up on the tombstones.
I see your butt move.
Again, it's weird. Is that gay?
Oh, we hit the edge of the map.
I just follow the edge then, I guess. I don't know.
The edge isn't gonna get us anywhere.
Your mom doesn't get me anywhere, but yet I got $4. Oh, I'm dead.
Great. Great. And my battery's running out too, so this isn't good.
Where'd you go? I see you. You're the last one. Complete the mission.
I don't even know where I'm running. I don't have my flashlight.
Just go straight. There's a rocks to your right. I think I hear a green dildo.
Yeah.
Pretty sure I hear a green dildo.
What is this, a fucking hedge maze? Oh, I see the dildo. Oh, you scared!
I keep scaring everyone by doing that.
Oh my! Do you all hear a tape over there?
No, there's just a green dildo over there.
Oh my god! I hear him growling.
I keep walking through numbers, and he keeps getting scared.
I have a feeling next time I see him, I'm gonna die because I haven't seen him yet.
Probably.
Come on, let's go this way.
Holy crap.
Nothing?
It's because we did it so
Windmill.
much. Oh,
Guys, search around the windmill.
Stand still. Okay.
That's a lie.
I hear it. I hear it. It's on the second windmill. It's on the second windmill. I'm right in front of it.
Wait, can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. I can't see him though.
No.
That's the only
Oh,
thing.
you came out.
You're gonna die. You're gonna die.
I'm gonna follow whoever is in front of me without using my flashlight because I can see you perfectly.
You're gonna die. You're gonna die. You're gonna die.
Oh, I see green penis. Don't go that way. I can't go.
Just look away from it.
It's still affecting me.
Well, stop being this freaking skank and work it out.
Work it out, work it out.
What?
What the hell?
This is it's a
Guys, look around
sacrifice. I don't even know how to say that word, so let me just shut up. Oh, I hear
Oh, I
it.
found it.
Look at these fucking statues. Look at this
Oh,
shit.
you found it.
Look at me.
Numbers, you're halfway there. Keep going, buddy.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Shut up.
Wait, how many tapes do we have?
Oh my god,
four.
guys, get in front of me. You have to lead the way. My flashlight is like nearly dead.
What the hell was that noise? It sounded like someone was farting in my
Yeah,
mind.
you heard that?
Yeah, it's
Oh, me running.
we hit the edge of the map. Pretty sure.
Where is that way? I can't go. I can't go that way. Okay, let's go this way.
This is the edge of the
There's
map.
the water.
You're like in the straight corner of it. Oh, I'm watching you die. That was fast.
Well, we survived 9 minutes.
Yeah. Holy crap, we're terrible.
Yeah.
I blame Brennan. All in
In
vote.
memory of. How come you guys get your full names and I don't?
You got your full name right there.
Yeah. Rip.
screams. It shows who your full name is because it knows who screamed. I screamed the least, also.
I want to see this. We probably went in like circles.
The first.
We went in one circle because we returned to the church.
Brennan died somewhere in there.
We went in like zigzags.
What the hell are we drawing?
I think that's when I died.
No, we all screamed right there.
And then someone died.
That's a big
there's
scream,
someone's
then you
dead. Yeah,
died.
Brennan died. And well, I don't know what Brennan's doing right now.
I got the first piece.
Trying to find
Yeah, look,
No,
look.
that's when I...
Look. And that's when I die. And then we follow you for like 10 minutes. And then that's when you die up here. You hit the edge of the map, which is like up ahead.
We didn't even go on the other side of the fucking map.
I'm sorry, but there's nowhere I could have gone.
Well, no.
He had me, like, cornered.
Yeah, you were dead anyway. You suck.
Alright, that was